Alright guys, this is the last box of Impeccable Hoops. Divisional, round number 9. And again, there is the metal. Metal bar coming up. Let's save the metal bar for last. Do it a little different this time. Ooh, look at this. Interesting development. We've got two stainless autographs apparently going to be coming here. That could be a good thing. All right, Buddy Hield, number /99 for the Pacific. That goes to Moyer. Sacramento Kings. Blazers. That is Damian Lillard, number /99 Northwest. Goes to Preston. All right, numbered 48 of 99. Stainless Star Signatures Bowl. And that is Denver Nuggets for the Northwest. Goes to P. Carp. Jersey autograph, number /99 Mike Bibby for the Hawks. And that is Southeast. Goes to P. Carp. It's always like the same names over and over in every case. Del Curry. Hornets. It's for the Southeast. Number /299 for P. Carp. For the Atlantic, this one goes to DJ Intino. Matisse Thybulle. Stainless Star Signatures. These cards do look really nice in person. Alright, here's a good name. Veteran. Numbered 13 of 24, Larry Legend. The bird is the word. Boston Celtics, that goes to DJ Intino. And we will finish up the case with Kristaps Porzingis /75. That is for the Southwest. Goes to Moyer. And last but not least, the gold or silver bar. Who's it going to be? All right, it is a rookie. And it is Washington Wizards, numbered 18 of 25, Rui Hachimura for the Southeast. And that goes to P. Carp. So we've hit a Rui silver bar today, and we hit the Tyler Herro silver bar today. All right. Guys, that will do it for round number 9 in the books. Appreciate it once again. I will get it all packed up and out ASAP.